Hello farmers, are your chickens gasping for air, sneezing, coughing or shaking their heads constantly? If you're noticing wet nostrils, noisy breathing, watery eyes, open-mouthed panting or mucus build-up around their beaks, then this might not just be a passing cold, it could be a serious respiratory disease quietly taking over your flock. And the worst part? These coughing diseases spread fast. One bird starts coughing today, and by the next morning, your whole coop is wheezing, your egg production drops, your feed conversion suffers, and if nothing is done, some birds begin to die. However, many farmers are not aware that Mother Nature has provided us with powerful organic treatments that, when applied the right way, can stop these respiratory infections in their tracks. In this video, we'll uncover 5 powerful, research-backed, natural antibiotics and immune boosters that will help your flock recover overnight and stay strong. If you've been losing birds mysteriously or struggling with constant coughing outbreaks, whether it's infectious coryza, CRD, bronchitis, or even mild Newcastle, you'll want to stay with me till the end of this video. Kindly hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you don't miss the next time we share these poultry secrets that keep your farm productive and profitable. Also, as always, tell me where you are watching from. Now, before we even get into the natural treatments, it's important to know how to identify respiratory disease early. Chickens can't speak, but their symptoms are loud and clear if you know what to look for. The most common signs include sneezing and coughing, which is usually the first indicator that something is irritating the bird's airways. You may also notice watery or foamy eyes, which show that the upper respiratory tract is inflamed, especially in infections like infectious coryza or chronic respiratory disease. Another key symptom is nasal discharge, where birds have wet nostrils or thick mucus dripping from their beaks. In some cases, this mucus can block their airways, making them breathe through their mouths. Speaking of that, open mouth breathing or gasping, especially after little activity, means the infection is moving deeper into the air sacs or lungs. If the bird keeps shaking its head, stretching its neck, or making rattling sounds while breathing, that's a sign the infection is advanced. You might also hear snoring or rattling sounds when the bird breathes, that is noise in their lungs, a classic symptom in mycoplasma and CRD cases. In layers, you'll also notice a sudden drop in egg production, and in broilers, there will be a sharp slowdown in weight gain. In extreme cases, the infection leads to loss of appetite, weakness, and eventually death, especially in young chicks or immune-compromised birds. Knowing these signs early is key to applying the treatments before the disease spreads. In all the natural treatments I am about to share with you, there is a secret addition that you can add to them. I will share it after I discuss the 5 treats, so keep watching. Let's begin with the first powerful natural remedy, garlic. This ancient medicinal bulb contains a sulfur compound called allicin, which is released when the garlic is crushed or chopped. Allicin has strong antibacterial, antiviral, antifungal, and anti-inflammatory properties. When garlic is given to chickens, the allicin enters the bloodstream and targets the respiratory tract. There, it acts in 2 key ways. First, it disrupts the cell walls of respiratory pathogens like mycoplasma and avibacterium, literally punching holes in the bacteria and killing them. Secondly, garlic also acts as a natural expectorant, thinning out mucus and helping birds to breathe easier. Additionally, its anti-inflammatory action reduces swelling in the trachea and sinuses, improving airflow. To use garlic, crush 2 to 3 cloves and add them to 1 liter of drinking water, or use garlic powder at a dosage of 0.7 grams per kiloliter of feed. This treatment should continue for 5 to 7 days during active infection.
Are you tired of seeing your chickens struggle with diseases? Frustrated by low egg production or poor quality? Do you wish your broilers would grow faster and stop worrying about the effects of heat stress and those nasty worms? As an organic poultry farmer, you know the value of natural solutions, but finding reliable information can be a real headache, right? As Agribusiness Insider, we have made you an organic poultry ebook. This ebook is specifically designed for farmers like you who want to use readily available organic products to keep their chickens healthy, get more eggs, and fatten your broilers organically. What do you get when you buy this ebook? 49 different organic products you can use for your chickens, meaning that you can finally say goodbye to expensive and potentially harmful chemical treatment. Each product comes with a simple step-by-step preparation procedure. It's written in easy to understand English with a clear and simple layout. We provide specific dosages for broilers, layers, and even indigenous chickens. Exact amounts to add to water, feed, or give directly. The best part, this ebook is backed by research with references from peer-reviewed studies, so you can confidently implement these time-tested remedies knowing they are scientifically supported. To get your copy, click the link in the description of this video and transform your organic poultry farm today.
From garlic, we move smoothly into the second remedy, which is aloe vera. Aloe is not just for skin, it's a powerful internal healer. When chickens drink aloe vera juice, the active compounds, such as asamanin and glycoproteins, go to work by boosting the bird's immune system. Asamanin increases macrophage activity. These are the body's natural disease-fighting cells that hunt and destroy invading bacteria and viruses. Aloe also reduces inflammation inside the respiratory tract, helping to ease breathing and reduce tracheal swelling. Another benefit is its mucilage content, a thick gel-like substance that coats the irritated tissues in the throat and windpipe, providing a soothing and healing effect, just like cough syrup does in humans. To apply aloe, extract the clear gel from fresh aloe leaves. After removing the thorns, blend it, and add 25 ml per liter of drinking water. You can also chop the leaves and soak them directly in water overnight, and give this for 5 to 6 consecutive days. Now let's talk about onion, a remedy often overlooked but extremely powerful. Onions contain a compound called quercetin, a natural antioxidant and antibacterial agent. Quercetin works by inhibiting bacterial DNA replication, which means it stops respiratory pathogens like Mycoplasma and Coryza bacteria from multiplying. Onions also contain allyl sulfides, which are similar to allicin in garlic and have strong antimicrobial power. In the respiratory tract, onion juice acts as a natural bronchodilator, helping the bird to breathe more freely by widening the air passages. It also thins out mucus and helps flush it from the nostrils and trachea. For effective use, blend 1 medium-sized onion, strain out the juice, and add 20 to 30 ml of this juice per liter of drinking water. Give this daily for 5 days, and avoid giving too much as it may affect the taste of eggs slightly if used continuously for more than a week. Transitioning now to 2 very familiar farm remedies, ginger and clove. Ginger and clove contain compounds like gingerol and calvacrol, which have strong anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial effects. These compounds directly inhibit the enzymes that bacteria use to reproduce, especially those in Mycoplasma and Coryza infections. Additionally, ginger enhances blood circulation, especially to the respiratory organs, ensuring that immune cells and nutrients are delivered where they're needed most. One of the most important effects of ginger and clove is that it helps break down thick mucus, allowing the chicken to clear its airways and breathe normally. Ginger and cloves also naturally suppress cough, so your birds can rest and recover faster. To use ginger and clove, crush or blend fresh ginger and clove together and extract the juice. Add 20 ml per liter of water or dry the ginger and use the powder at 0.5 grams per kg of feed. Give for 5 to 7 days, especially when coughing is heavy. Lastly, Let's bring in the fifth powerful remedy, black pepper. While simple, this kitchen spice is loaded with piperine, a compound that enhances nutrient absorption and has proven antimicrobial activity. Piperine increases the bioavailability of the other herbs used in treatment, meaning it helps the body absorb garlic, ginger, and onion better. On its own, black pepper also stimulates circulation and acts as a mild decongestant, helping clear blocked airways and improve oxygen intake. Its warming nature helps raise the bird's internal temperature slightly, which is helpful in fighting infections. Mix black pepper powder at a rate of 0.3 to 0.5 grams per kilo of feed, or make a pepper tea with black pepper powder and give 20 ml of the strained liquid per liter of drinking water for 4 to 5 days during infection. As promised, one of the most important supplements to accompany the natural treatment of your choice is honey. Honey, when combined with any of the above natural treatments, helps the sick bird recover quickly, and it provides readily absorbable energy that is needed at this critical moment of illness by the sick chicken. And if you think these natural treatments are powerful, wait until you hear about the best natural chicken antibiotics to common chicken diseases, which I talk about in the next video. Click the video showing now on your screen to discover them. See you there.